Hey guys, how are you?
Doing
Very good.
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 Yeah.
Okay, yes, I wanted to ask Koti.
Wait, before you ask, you guys are beautiful.
Thank you.
Aw,
Happy
Thank you very
Thank you,
much.
Papa.
Thank you.
Thanks, Daddy.
Hey. Na mbona respect ya Nyashe. Nyashe go on. Hey, shy. No, you can go on, Nyasha.
Like, I have a question, Koti.
Yeah.
Is marriage an achievement, guys? What do you think about marriage? Is it an achievement? And what are the advantages? Okay.
I personally don't believe it's an achievement. Why? Because I believe that when we speak about marriage, it's because of what society has made us believe. That no, every woman needs to get married for you to have a family and everything. But most women end up staying in marriages they don't want to stay in when they're getting abused, all in the name of, I have to be in a marriage.
Okay.
And a divorce is, something bad. And I personally do not believe marriage is an achievement. So, yeah.
What do you think?
I
Before
think
I give my comment, because now,
Yeah. No,
Okay.
I think it's an achievement.
Okay.
The reason being is that I think in everything in life there are advantages and disadvantages. So it is an achievement.
Okay.
Because you do pray for marriage. There are a lot of things that you get out of marriage. Yeah, like if you get a proper person,
I'm married.
yeah, you know what I mean. And at some point you can get someone, maybe mkazi anengane ropa remari.
Amen.
Yeah, like ikazi lakhe le mali. Then
Chalede.
if ungathola umuntu onjalo, naturally you have money.
You will be blessed.
Exactly.
True.
Exactly.
I just think marriage, it is an achievement. Why? Because if you come to think of it, all over social media, everyone, like, I think it's not true for marriage as achievement and it's achievement because social media advisor otherwise.
Yes.
But behind social media, guys, marriage.
Exactly.
You see kwenda kuma-post story baba.
Yeah.
Vachidzichaga mutauro. And chandaka notice I think marriage it comes with respect, so yeah, unowana. And another thing, I think kuti zvinobatsira kuzvinhu to avoid zvinhu zvisiri necessary, like as in zvirwere and what was sleeping around, because handiti we know kuti when you sleep with vanhu vakawanda unonge uchitoredzera mhepo dzese dzavanenge nadzo madhimoni ese waya unonge uchivatoredzera. So kana uri married unenge une munhu wako one. Of course kuchita yes kunozouya, but point yangu ini ndikuona ungati marriage is an achievement and in advantage advantage yekuti tiri kuvanisa zvinhu zvakawanda nekuda kwechikwe marriage. So I don't know, guys.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, on that point, when you say Guti, you're obviously trying to avoid sleeping with different people, correct? Why can't we do that when it's just boyfriend and girlfriend?
No, I mean,
Why can't it be a norm for just a normal couple to be loyal to each other and them alone?
the people that don't want to commit, they don't want. I cannot be in a relationship with Bobby here for like 2 years. You get tired of me.
Yeah. Okay, but do you need a ring for you to say, yes, I'm committed to this person, is what I'm asking.
I think so. Like, we're moving on to another stage. That's another stage. Like boyfriend and girlfriend. Stage one. We're not going anywhere.
Hey, guys.
So you don't want to get married?
No, I'm not saying I don't want to, but I'm saying the same standards that we hold in a marriage is the same standards I feel like we should hold in just a normal couple. As me dating you, we're in a relationship. At the end of the day, why do you break up with someone if they cheat on you?
Okay.
Because we're holding the same standards. We just don't realize it because we're here talking about, no, we have to do this thing because we need to sign, we have to put a ring on the finger, and the family must know.
Yeah.
That's how I believe the whole thing should go. And yeah, that's about it.
So you don't believe in marriage?
I did not say I don't believe in marriage.
Yeah.
I do want to get married eventually.
Yeah.
But I'm saying it shouldn't be looked at as an achievement.
Okay.
You know, as in, now you are popping because
Because
you're
of
married.
You're married.
Maybe it depends, but for most of us gents, I think it is an achievement.
Yeah.
Like unongowana munhu anobatsira kuronga zvinhu zvako. You
Exactly.
see, like kana uri bachura when you've got like it's just you
Yeah,
alone.
no,
It's
true.
really hard to get your things together, you know. Yeah. So if you can get a real one by your side, a real queen by your side, I think that would be much better.
Yeah.
Untona life yemunhu change after marriage, like impilo yakhe yashintsha.
Yeah, serious.
Yeah. And at some point, unodzora in whatever you do.
Yeah.
You hold yourself back like, let me not do this, I've got a wife.
Exactly.
Let me not do this, I've got kids, you know.
You work even harder.
Exactly. Unless if you just some of our brothers.
Yeah, I know, I get that.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys. Since it's Women's Month, now I just think, yes, and I've been having this question in my mind, which okay. I just think that you guys should normalize us isus as women. Skuwudza munhu kuzonisha like a guy could say I'm interested in you or what. Because you guys you usually think it's not fair, kind of you see right? No, I just see proper for a lady to ask a guy out. But no, I don't think there's nothing wrong with that. Don't you think so? Like, have you ever had the courage to tell a guy you're interested in him?
I did. I did. And only because I knew maybe he liked me. He was just not comfortable in the situation.
Yeah,
Yes.
but
He was
He
slow.
was too slow for me. So I was like, you know what? Let me do it. Let me do it. I can do this, you know?
Yeah.
And he rejected me. I'm not going to lie to you. The first day he rejected me, he's like, I'm not looking for anything. Hey. After a week, the guy was
Come
gone.
here, baby.
He was in love. And after that, I dated him. It was probably like, my longest relationship that I had.
Ooh.
So, yeah, it was one of those.
I think because he liked you, that's the thing.
Yes.
If good, then you come to me, hey.
But you men don't know how to reject.
Exactly.
And when you come and you entertain her either way, you're like, yo, but I'm gonna ask me party. I don't like this girl.
I think it depends.
It depends on what.
On the men. Not all of us.
Okay, we're talking about you now.
Someone just got rejected.
Oh no. Come on now.
Oh, I'm sorry for that.
No, keep trying harder. I'll do my best.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna win. I'm telling you.
Yeah.
I'm not
Yeah,
gonna
you
give
got
up.
this.
No, because you heard what she said. Like,
Sorry.
Tina, if you put so much pressure on us, no going to
definitely
end.
give
This was
in.
told. Yeah.
Just keep doing it.
Yeah, just keep doing it.
So you wanna make guy, you wanna mina now. So together.
Hey, the cameraman. Unless if he's married, then
Yeah, but-
yeah,
Yeah.
you'll be in danger. You'll be in danger.
True.
Real danger.
Imagine. Uzoita vana phaya uzothi mama can just say up.
But where do you get the courage? Kuhani mwana nemuna nemukadzi.
Makazi, I don't know. No, guys, I don't really blame Makazi.
Yeah.
Don't blame Imimi Varumi. Guys, you must believe this.
hold
I
on.
mean,
Deceive
you
us,
must
that's
believe
true.
this. So. I'm telling you.
Saka matsotsi nenzira.
Especially my Zimbabwean.
I dated this guy now.
The worst.
This guy used to promise me the world.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna lie to you. The guy was amazing. He cared about me. He could come, then we go shopping. I do have some clothes that he bought for me. So the guys, I just think of him. You know, when we started dating, we were talking. Could see, I wanna marry you. What. But then they cannot know, man.
Was he married?
Yeah.
Did he tell you he was married?
I later found out. I found out later.
Namaga, he told you.
No, you
Nigga
didn't at
told
first.
you.
But then the kind of mama try it. Japanese was okay, fine. You see, after 7:30. Because 8 mna shabati phone.
Oh.
Saka inini andisimula novunza.
You want to go to 10 kwake?
No, andinave na minombo kwake.
And you do not
You
question
should
that.
do your homework. Come on.
I did not budget for that long.
How long was it?
It just lasted for like 2 months because I was just trying to see. Okay, fine. Is this it and what? So when I found out the guy is married, I was like, no, why did you lie to me? I was like, I didn't want to lose you. Even though he was doing all that.
Yeah.
Like, so, I don't know. You know, when I have a kazi, my roommate don't blame my mimi because munoti.
And some of our guys,
Unothi
even though they find out, after finding out, I know it's fine. Let's go.
The thing is, you guys make us fall in love with you.
Yeah, because
And then now I'm in love, not much. You fall in love with this person, and then when you do eventually find out, it's very hard for you now to leave.
Yeah,
You know, to leave the relationship, because now it's like, oh, okay. But all of this love and the money, and all of that money.
And the guy will be caring at first, like, I'm going to support you. Until you live with him for 2 years, then you'll get another money after that.
Pane mumkadzi akamboposta nyaya yake iyoyo kuve second wife akati guys ndiye second wife yenyuka inini totoinzwira kukura kuti hanzanzi yeye hazviiti chichi achiti inini ndine mai yangu I have my business ndakatengerwa plot vana vangonze kuboarding school. I'm a second wife. Not a second wife actually. Not second wife. No, side chick.
Hey.
Side chick isn't what. But she's just living the best life ever.
She's a hustler.
Saka kudeni first wife atoziva kuti
obvious.
Achitozi baba inini handikunyepherei. Life yangu itori apa ndine plot vanongonze kuboarding school. I have a business and what stress ndakatirwa nani?
Okay,
The guy.
wait. The guy and Kuden, is he okay? Like one wake and the wife, are they all right?
Pretend, guys.
I don't know.
Wait.
No, I'm talking financially.
Yes, because if you see good, Ashita able to buy me a plot.
Yeah,
send my kids to boarding school.
Men are like that.
Where is he getting the money from?
There's more where that money is coming from.
Where is he getting that money from?
So you see, I don't know balance and you as a first wife, you won't even notice.
Yeah.
Times I can use the better mushe and run business and bakubasa no use the better time with the kids, time with the what. She's sending us to better needs. Saka you see, sometimes you don't know in and one marry. I know, I'll take. Yeah, I'm not marry.
Why not?
Yeah. You guys will kill us one day.
Why not?
No, only marry and you want me. We can date. We can date and I can respect your wife. I can respect you.
You just said it.
Yes.
Okay, wait. I think in the future, Cheda marry. And then Remka,
you come to me, baby.
And you, ne? Don't grab it too late.
Off the market.
But on a serious note, Nyasha, you would.
Yeah. Because one thing that I told myself is, see, if I am to be a second wife, that guy must be rich.
Okay, what if you're the first wife?
If I am the first wife and then you want to have another wife, we must be rich as well. We must have.
So you don't mind?
I don't mind because I know kuti either way.
Hey.
No chaga something out there.
Nyasha, you know, when I say like when I say Nyasha, and one person around with us is dangerous. Cannot that man cheat. I'm telling you.
No, I think the could have beyond that. I think age young never know no follow and never know no techi. Second, no one peace. Which if I remember Shabbat. Either way, the first wife in it, they marry I cannot say, oh, he's my man. He's mine alone. You will get someone out there.
Men cheat.
No, or more wonder they pray for someone like you. I don't understand.
Know. Maturity, I guess.
As for me, it's a no.
That's our prayer. That's our everyday prayer. Like.
Yes, I'm not gonna go but don't let me know. Just respect me enough to make sure I'm dizzy. But can I with a second wife? Sine marry and Gurambis. You can support both families. You need I have my own house with my kids, a business and whatever. Mine which is fine. There's this distant relative of mine. She's a second wife. That woman is living her best life.
You know, as for me, I think like I'm so dumb, you know. Nah, can I play my cards well, you know? Like, I don't stay with one person. I'm so dumb, you know. I don't know, but I'm very dumb. Like, I wouldn't handle that. That's too much, man. That's too much pressure. I need to focus this side. You need to focus on the other side. You've got maybe some businesses to run. You've got this and that. You need to go to. That's too much for me.
I'll say to marry, baby. It's a marry.
Yeah. Serious.
It's a marry. It's not easy. And you know, it's a marry one.
My future wife, I hope you're not listening to this. Hope you're not watching this. But now she knows. Yeah, that.
Serious,
I'm a guy that don't support that.
Yeah,
I don't know, maybe if it happens, cause to one when mistakes do happen. But I don't support that.
You don't support having a second wife, or you don't support being a side chick.
One is enough for you.
One is enough for me.
You wouldn't cheat at all.
I won't say I wouldn't, because I'm a person, I'm still living.
Then one is not enough.
No, there are possibilities, because even you can cheat. Maybe it would then you will cheat at some point. Maybe
this is mostly we cheat for, we have reasons. Ukana mukadzi akuchitira ane reason iri very tangible yekuti akakuudza apa soka even akaudza vanhu vanoti no mwana uyu anga ari right.
Okay, let me tell you, the thing we were talking about off camera, the respecting and stuff. You know, if you don't give me much respect as I expect, or and the respect is earned, but it's given at some point. You need to give
earned.
It's earned, yes.
Okay, yeah, it's earned, but if you don't respect me, the high chances that I'll cheat. Because I'll get that respect somewhere, and I'll value that person. You need to respect me, you know.
And as a man, if you don't give me attention, if you don't give me that love, if you don't make time for me, if you don't, pani varume munesisime kuti zvinomunofunga zvinizvo hazvina basa. Ndo zvatinoda isusu vanhukadzi. Those smallest things.
Like chocolates.
No, it's not really about buying chocolates.
Attention.
It's the time spent, communication.
Yes.
You know, just the small things.
Dashika Mumba, I'm here. After work, I'm at home. Dashika, how are you, baby? I'm good. Too far. After 2 minutes, munakundi mara, like, what's going on now?
You should also understand that sometimes.
And us, we cannot function in a mother.
It's just as women, we also need to work on that. Kuti varume vedu kana vabva kumabasa, they will be tired. Vanodawo kusvika ochita. You need to spice things up as a woman.
Be my therapy.
You really need to spice things up.
I had a rough day at work.
Those people that just make relationships or marriage so easy.
Yeah.
You can come back, you just wear something sexy. You just start dancing, you just start doing some crazy shit. I know to feel relieved. Okay, fine, I wanna be with you. So, okay, fine.
Exactly. You know that thing, like I'm about to go home.
I can get
excited.
Yes, you get excited. That's the thing. Yeah. Not like I don't know Thami again. Now it's 2018. Come on, like don't tell that I'm aroused before nenda kumba like. Don't have boys. Ndakona ronda, everywhere. Ndakufamba kunana table. Yeah. Only to get home at 8 ndojga, then I sleep. Yeah.
I don't know.
I don't think the love will be that strong. Even
like her name is what? Rev Kotizo. She said manager I don't know my rights too much. Because vacancy my rights. I want to know my rights. I'm working.
Can you say that again?
I'm very tired, so I can't cook.
Yeah, because you did this, I'll do this.
You also need to cook, so I'm very tired. Because I'm tired.
And the thing is that we don't talk.
Then
the next thing, pana time. I want my lipstick more.
So sometimes we need to fix our marriages. And also marriage I don't know my rights. There's this lady when they tell her she came to me, we were just talking as ladies. I can see they are married actually. I said marriage yakawa maikundirwadza inini anchadi ndinotosiya ndikati baby uya pano gara pasi
wadi umtorera murume ndotsvaka murume.
No, the husband is not really my thing.
Maybe that's why she's leaving and stopping.
No, for her they're just good together.
Okay.
I don't, yeah.
No,
Ango
daro ne.
No, I
don't see this. Okay.
So she came and said, we're just talking nyaya dzevakadzi. Ekaoma marriage handichatombodi ndikati uya pano mwanaume vangu gara pasi. Kunze uku hakusisina zvinomboshamisira. Kutopisa. Kuroti vari hot. Isusu tinotaka so titori kunze hatitori namumeredzi achona titodzichaka. I'm not saying it's an achievement kana titori ndi desperate zvekutori daro. But ndaisauzono kumuudza. Zvino tiri kusangana nazvo out there isusu vasiri mumarriage machona. Kuti murume wako akada zvinhu zvemumhorese wakafugama. Do that,
please.
Mumhorese wakafugama achisvika utogodama uti masera said akada zvinhu ndi pakure chikafu wakafugama uchimugodamira all the time. Mugeze yese kana chida. Pane futi this other lady. Auntie Joy, she said vakadzi mimi munofunga kuti zvamunenge muchiti hey hazvichachomboitwa murume haachombogadamire murume anogadamirwa.
She won't do that.
No, she can.
No,
she
I
have,
would. I would.
Serious?
I would. Yes, 100% for my man.
You haven't. So you see,
Definitely.
But my 2000 is very hard for them to do that.
No, I think it depends the family.
Yes.
Say.
So I'm not going to get any dish you don't get some more.
Hey. What do you mean?
I don't go there, but.
Hey.
So now, like, I'll do it with pride. Food.
Oh, so sweet.
Serious?
So ndakamuudza ndikati unozati vasara varume out there ndivavanoti hi baby unkase so kapfeka penti rerudzi kuti ndakapfeka rerere kuti hanzi kudzwa kutokuda autouya mufungi mutoita zvamunotoita zvotoperera ipo paya paya
yotofunza
ndotofunga ndolove yachona ndakamuudza kati no but you are right saka iko zvino zvinawati kokumba kwake ndikati hakuna mene zina maproblems ariko maproblems
nyasha wamunhu muhombe like pfungwa dzako like I love my advices.
No, I think it's not. Don't follow about
I think you should educate younger generation.
I don't mind, Cham.
Yeah,
because my generation zamazwana kufunga kuti marriage haina basa, marriage varume havadi ku respect how you cannot kneel down for a man. You can do we have to do that?
Like, can I ask about this thing of 50-50 in a marriage?
That's just bullshit.
What's your take before you go further? Don't say anything because Nyasha said it's bullshit. No, you can't disagree.
Wait, I believe a husband should be a provider.
Okay.
Right? That's what we all believe, correct?
Yes.
So 50-50 is a no.
Okay.
It's definitely a no.
Okay, so your answer is based on financial...
Not just financial. Well, financial, because a provider, he's a protector as well.
Okay.
And then I make a house, a home.
Okay.
So I do provide.
What if Mumba kana tell Mumba, then I'll be like Sababa, be like, hey, Ndinda utara Sababa, can you keep quiet?
Yes.
I can.
And
I'll respect that.
Okay.
He's speaking, so I must be quiet.
And you?
No, I don't take this whole 50-50 thing. You go to paradzira, my marriages.
So ndakati nyasha nyara ndumbotora Sababa usunteera you keep
Kutonyara. Ndofanira kutonyarara even ndisingagone. Even ndisingagone fanira kutodzidza kuti nyasha apa nyarara because you have to.
Okay, so where are these other girls getting this from?
A man is the head of the house.
Yes.
But a head cannot move without a neck.
You guys, you guys should be sponsored, ne? Mafamba and Oscar now. Yeah, because that's why I want to see my marriages. It's better to be single. It's better to be It's because of the way you behave. The reason why I my marriages and stuff is because white area and boys town.
Exactly.
Yeah, we can all say this 50-50 thing. We're not saying warume ngaro akazi. No, that's not what we're saying. No. We're not saying gawe ma detectors mumba. No, but we're saying baba gawe baba. That's what we're saying. No, like,
Definitely.
Yeah, or boy, this my rights or my sisters. My battery possible like it's too much.
What's the kushanda ikuku? I'm waking you.
You know what? In dependent, but I can take care of myself and my kids. Yeah. That's the thing. You go around bed. Yo. Shurunga shabu. Can somebody save me? Bed mounting brumo wako. Hey, 1, 2, and 3. But it was you. It was you. Yeah.
So, Kazi, this is Women's Month. Chinjai, let's just change.
After all, we love you.
Yes,
we love you so much. We care about you. You know, like we really love you guys. I want to see that. How I love you. That you get that how much we love you.
Yes, we see it.
You see our efforts. Like, we love you, we protect you. That's so hard to protect you. Like,
no, that's very true. I feel like men, they go where peace is. They go where peace is.
Murume kana rora akembeza anaka wadye nemukadzi wake and ndiyo unobona akapfeka maweksuit every day. I think we love you guys. We're trying our best. I think you see that, guys.
No, we do.
You all guys didn't know about that, that thing. Drive, like when I look at you, I look at my kids, I'm like, yeah, man, I need to work. If I'm not card, I'm like, baby,
those
I
ones.
need to work. If I'm not seeing a card, I'm like, baby, yeah. Kadir, yeah, just spend wisely. Yeah, exactly. You see?
To us women, to us, so nice.
Yeah.
That's true.
That's true.
Another thing, guys. I've been thinking about no, I wanted to ask Anditi, which one is better? Tiri panyayo yekurara nevanhu vakawanda very different.
Yeah.
Which one is better, masturbation or sex with different people?
Ding, 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 ding.
Masturbation, definitely.
Definitely.
100%.
Experience. I know, Mofunga, you didn't think twice. Masturbation, definitely. Yeah. You know, yeah. What's the reason behind that?
Because I don't want to have too many sexual partners. Guys, again, back to the marriage thing, what you were saying. Soul ties is a real thing, guys. You sleep with someone, everything that they have, that they're carrying comes to you. Now imagine I'm sleeping with 6, 7, 10 people. And all their problems are, no, I can't deal with that. I will never want to deal with that.
That's why I want to sing about dream life. Do you know that?
Exactly, exactly. So I'd rather
Proudly. Viva. No, you know what I said earlier on? I'll try from experience. No, just, you know, but I heard on that thing, masturbation, like active and like it's demonic.
Papa zvakanyora kuti hanzanzi masturbation ayiko avadisei nevanhu vakawanda wanda hanzanzi masturbation ayiko kwazi mwana vachona havadi futi kuti tiite sei tisira nevanhu vakawanda wanda
saka unofanira kuita sei kana wamuposition you.
No, I think your masturbation, I think then I can go for it. It's okay.
I think that's
it's
why
okay.
Just get married. Marriage is an achievement because yeah, let's
get married. People should get married and we must stop having sex with different people. We are not perfect, yes, because we are humans. Let's not lie to each other. I need a man to be the carpet in no.
Like we drawn for finish.
Yes. So marriage,
of course I do.
Marriage is an achievement. Tena.
Indo trepi. Yeah, we can see that.
We agree.
But sometimes, you know, as I said, advantages, disadvantages. No, the moment I know like don't know right in fun, then later on that would maybe I made a bad choice.
Discussion
yeah.
Nichimba example, nichikaipa example yangu inini. Nikatutati wandirora mwana. My baby, my boy, my what. Nditaris. Nezoni taris ushateza uchishika. Nditaris kuchinyasha ora fine na face yakudodoro yakana kedira. It's not charisika. Inini personally I know myself. I got big boobs, but I don't have big dash. I know myself that much. Usata matasa kuchishika.
You give people too much information. You know what's that? We thought it was a family thing. We'll keep it to ourselves.
You need to know whoever's going to marry me or whoever's going to ask me out. Why? Because I wouldn't want you because you want to know Tagara 1 year, 2 years was not know me. But you didn't my calves.
But on that one, body change, guys. You know, I might look like this now, but in the next 2 years, I might look completely different.
Especially when after giving birth.
Yes, that's what I'm saying. This thing, I could see we're looking at how she looks and if she's going to. No one's going to be beautiful forever, guys.
That's what I don't care about that. Stretch marks.
But that's the thing. If you find a man like that, then it's just not for you.
Exactly.
That's what you need to understand.
At some point, my brother should understand that. Don't look at the looks. Go for the brain.
Exactly.
But you cannot go kumon the personality. But no, you know, you should. That's the brain, you know.
Yeah.
If you're sharp, if you grind then I can marry you. Because after 5 or 10 years, like, Yeah, like you know, it's not like we're body shaming or what, but yeah, that's how it is. It's nature. It's nature.
Yeah.
It's nature. Yeah. So I should learn to love you the way you are. You should learn to adjust
as a person.
Yeah, but no, God's uncle.
You're putting me in hustle.
Okay, guys. So on the issue of masturbation, sorry to ask this, but I'm just curious. You know,
It's okay.
I need to know. Like, which one is better for you guys? You talked about some tools earlier on, or using the natural tools that you have.
Yeah.
So which one is better?
Nah, I go for
Finger.
the natural ones. Why? I think because that thing, you won't have the feelings for the real person. I mean, I won't be needing him once I start using that thing, that artificial one.
Oh, because you'll be used to that.
Yes, the size and all. I'll be.
Nigga!
Oh my gosh.
I'm being honest though, because once I'm used to that size, that thing. And when a real person comes, you might have the different size. So I won't really enjoy. So I'd rather use.
Okay.
I'm just saying maybe you know, I don't, me personally, I'm going to be very honest, I do not feel anything when I, you know, but I think I would rather go for the toy.
Oh my God.
I would because I think I would go for the toy, definitely, because I don't think these can do what I need them to do.
So you don't next you don't feel anything next.
I'm not saying I do it. I'm saying maybe I probably wouldn't.
No, I didn't say you do it. Now you're giving us information that we don't need. You're telling us what you do. Okay.
Next. Now I think really for this to work, I think
Yeah.
how horny are you? Like wabi high kushika pap. Then you go our top head.
Chimondunze guys, imimi kuti musvike point you. Does it happen? Like you need to do graft like I'll be like, hey, bana.
What's going on?
When did you get on? No, you're just fixing yourself. Hey, if you're sitting down, you don't sit there, come look here. I'm like, no, I'll come, no. Like, what about you guys? Like, what takes you there?
It doesn't happen at any time. I think for me, it's when I get flashbacks.
Exactly.
You know, of something that has happened maybe the night before, and that's when I'm like, oh, okay, it's happening.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, also the same for me. When you just think of him, like, okay, wow. And then,
exactly.
Okay.
Naturally just happens.
Without even thinking.
Yeah, because as women, that's why we can survive for longer without sex.
We can
because
control
we don't usually think about it like all the time.
Yes.
But when I think about it, like that's once in a month or in 3 months or something, I will definitely get.
Okay, even 100%. Us, after thinking about it, it happens. But even it's not funga, without even thinking about it, like. I don't know. Yeah, I'll be like,
but
I
don't get it.
Exactly.
Yeah, especially teams now.
No. You know, I tried.
You know, speak. You already started.
Okay.
You've been in this game for a while.
No. The thing is, the other day, I was living like with my boyfriend. Then you know what? I wanted to experience that thing. So I woke up around 5.
Then you were like,
I started touching him. I want to feel, no man, how true is that?
It's true.
I was touching him. Yeah. Yeah, I mean.
So what did you do after finding out that it's true?
Of course. I mean, you know the thing. You know the story.
Are you still dating this guy?
Yeah.
So he's probably going to watch this.
Yasha, you said you've been... Okay, let me keep quiet.
No.
Yasha, no Ramon. You know Yasha, from Tim.
Yeah, guys, come on. Okay, fine.
Okay, Yasha. Who did you know?
Hey, you put in a spot there, huh?
No, okay, fine. Right now, I can't really say I'm in a relationship or what.
Arugubata. Panungodezwa uma peace jobs.
No, we last each other. I mean, I don't know, but like, okay, fine. The point here is that.
Okay, your guys didn't separate, né? You didn't separate.
No, we didn't tell each other. No.
Yeah, that's the thing. Like, Ingori is easy.
Yeah.
So you're still dating the person?
No, I can't really say. I love the person.
Then
I
you are
love the
dating
guy.
them?
No, I mean, I feel like I'm the one dating him because in my mind, I feel like I want him.
I'm sorry.
Bobby, don't be like that. Come on.
Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Ungana relationship uchole watu. I'm sorry for that. I'm
So that's
sorry.
really bad.
Yeah.
So sometimes I think kuri vanhu vakasiyana. I don't know how to explain this. Vanhu, I don't know what he gonna say because I've been telling him kuti, this is what we want as women, and you should do that. He does things different. So then Nina just had to step back. I'm fine.
I think, yeah, Anzi, you can take the river to the donkey, but you cannot donkey the river.
Yeah, boy.
You cannot donkey the water. So
Yes,
you heard what I was trying to say. Yeah, so yeah. Don't just, but river, you can, you can take it to the donkey, but it cannot.
Yeah.
So yeah.
So guys, Oksala, I was just trying to say, I wanted to experience, I wanted to see how true that is.
It is.
I think in a relationship, tofana kudzidza kukura to evolve.
Yeah.
Kana munhu akwati do 1, 2, and 3, you should do that.
Yeah.
Don't just say ndozvandiri what. No, we should talk. We should communicate.
Yeah, I know. When you're in a relationship, you need to adjust. It's not you changing yourself.
No.
It's you adjusting to in the situation you're in. You're not dating yourself anymore, guys. Now it's
Like,
you and someone else.
Now then you'll be like, utanga unipindura rafu.
Yeah.
No, that's bullshit.
But sometimes no Buddha.
No, girl, you need to adjust. That's the adjusting we're talking about. You just said it. Adjust, yeah. You're not changing
Yeah,
yourself.
no, I get that. I completely understand. I think in my head, I'll be like, yeah, no, I'm trying. I'm doing it.
I know, it happens.
But then sometimes you can just snap.
I understand at that point. But yeah, at some point, to relax, like, like you need to adjust.